Hi, I'm John, and I'm the owner of 113 Ferris Place, and I'm going to show you the first floor. This is the floor the females stay on. There's 3 rooms on the first floor. I'll be showing you 2 of them. One is occupied. So this is the kitchen. It's been recently remodeled. There's a lot of cabinet space. Everyone has plenty of space for their own stuff. This is a common area, dining room. There's a couch, plenty of light. This is the hallway to the front door, and this is the door to the basement where there's laundry machines. This is bedroom number 3 in the back. It's got a large dresser there. It's got a desk, full-size bed. Actually, I think this is a queen. And a closet. 2 closets. Storage up there. Next I'll show you room number 2. Room number 2, this does have a full-size bed, has a desk, large dresser, and this also has a closet. I'll show you the bathroom. Just remodeled the bathroom this past winter. Very bright. Tub, shower, nice, modern, and there's storage space for everybody. Since we're on the first floor, I'll do the laundry too. So right downstairs is 2 washing machines. This one. And this one. And then 2 dryers. And I just happen to have other equipment here if and when something breaks. So that's pretty much it.